Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Outlook 2021 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing how to redirect replies in Outlook 2021. So let's say you are someone who works closely with someone else on a project, or you are simply getting out of town for a while and need to redirect replies on message thread to someone else or maybe a colleague assistance. So what you can do is set up a message to redirect when you send a message so that any reply to that message is automatically sent to that person or people. So let's say, for example, we have a message where I want to reply to and then redirect all of other replies to another colleague in my office. So let me just say, for example, I have this message sent from Sandra Colino. So I just want to reply to this message, but because I'm actually traveling out of town, I want every single reply to this message to be redirected back to other colleagues or some other friends or to someone who I think is very important. The person should read the mail. So what I'm going to do is this. Here we're going to actually just hit the reply button. So by hitting the reply button, you can see we have the option to actually reply to this message here from Outlook, but I'm going to actually just click the option called pop out. So let me just click pop out. So by clicking the pop out, it's going to actually give me more command which is actually available for this ribbon. So what we need to do right now is to go to options. So in options here, under the more options group, you can see we have the option called direct replies to. So request that replies to this message go to a specific email address. So just click on that. You can see automatically here we have the option called delivery options, and if you open this for the first time, you can see that my name is actually there. So it means that it's actually trying to have replies sent to my email address, but I want to actually remove. Let me just, first of all, I want to actually select an email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an email address from my company. So what we have to do is, for example, I just want every email sent to me to be actually sent to Gift Samuel, and I'm going to actually remove my name from there and then click reply to and then click OK. Automatically you can see that the Gift Samuel has been added to the have reply sent to instead of my name. But we can also add multiple email addresses to this list. For example, let me go back again to select names. I can decide to add, let me just add for example Solomon Simon to the list, and then add Tina Robinson to this list. So by adding these three users, you can see when I click OK, here you can see we now have 3 users which have been added to the list. So let me just click close. So by clicking close, and then I can now compose my message. So I can now compose my message. Let me just write something. Thanks, Sandra. So here, but you can see that the direct replies to is now highlighted, which means that my mails is being directed, the replies have been directed back to a particular user, a colleague, or to some group of users. And now we can just hit the send button, and the message will be sent, and now every single reply to that message will be redirected to the user we added to the direct list. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. This is how you redirect replies to colleagues or other users if you are moving out of town for a while, or you are going on vacation. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.